Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Hue in the Pixlr app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. After choosing the photo, tap on to Tools bar right here. Then here you can find the option of adjustment. Now go ahead and select it. Then scroll to your right and here you can find the option of Hue. Now simply select it. Now you can change the color by sliding the slider to your left or right, just like this. Now choose the one which fits your choice the best. And you can see the color is changed. And that's it. This is how you can change the Hue in the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.